Okay, so here is the final look, honey. So right now I am rearranging my couch. It looks a little funny because it's damn rug. I really need to push this rug over, but it's just a little of me, so it's gonna stay like that. And then, well, I'm out of breath, child. This tree I'm going to move over here in this little section over here. I did have it right here, but then I couldn't walk through here because it's so big. Like, this tree is, I think, too big for an apartment. But we gonna make it work. I'm gonna put it up here and I'm gonna show y'all the process. So I'm removing these different frames and items from my living area and gonna put it in the outside storage. I just wanna mention this little trap by the door is for spiders, bugs, and anything that thinks they finna crawl through my door. But no, I do not have rodents. So as you can see, I don't have that much room to get to the back of my tree. So this year, the tree gonna only be decorated up front. So we gonna make it do what it do, boo. Fluff out those trees, ladies. I'm tired of seeing bald head trees on the internet. Okay, so you want to make sure you're fluffing out those trees, covering those unwanted spaces. So I'm going to do this for the whole tree, and it is time consuming, but this is how your tree is going to look luxury by looking very full. Okay, so the tree is all fluffed up and stuff. I'm trying to decide if I want to put these Christmas lights on it. So I seen on Instagram this lady streamed her lights up and down the tree instead of wrapping them around. And when I tell you, game changer, literally the easiest thing to do. And your tree's lights will be dispersed evenly. I struggle with having my lights dispersed evenly, but I promise this way is the best way ever. And this is how it looks when it's all finished. I'm going to go into last year's Christmas stuff and get our stockings out. I'm going to hang these on my TV stand because I have nowhere else to place them, so we're going to improvise. So let's get into the good part. You want to make sure you have different size Christmas ornaments, different colors, and some floral wire. You're going to stream one bulb on and two more after, and then you're going to tie that into a knot and then double knot that together. From there, you're just going to add bulbs in whatever shape or fashion you would like, but just add them on there like you're making a bracelet. It's literally the easiest thing ever. Like, I couldn't believe that I was even doubting myself. So here I am just streaming those bulbs onto that wire. Y'all, it's so easy and it comes together so cute and it looks so luxury and expensive, child. So I made mine very long because I wanted it to go across the middle of the tree. So here I'm just adding more bulbs onto there, and then I'm going to end up adding those onto the tree. If you do have someone that can help you add those onto the tree, please get help because this process was very hard. I started by wrapping that end piece around a branch with some wire, and the bulbs literally just kept falling off, y'all. Like, I was screaming because I was so sad they were falling off. But what I did was just add like a piece of wire to a small chunk and just continued that process until I made my way up the tree. And so that's what prevented those bulbs from falling off. So as you can see here, it's anchored to the tree by a piece of wire. And then I'll just go ahead and add the rest of the thread up the tree. Okay, y'all, this is harder than I thought. Actually, it's not even hard. This part is the easy part. You literally put 3 bulbs on there and then tie those into a little knot, and then you just string them like you bead in a bracelet or something. It's the putting it on the tree that's the challenge, because you have to be so gentle because these things are so easy to pop off. Y'all, like, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Like, I kept looking at all the videos online and I'm just like, oh my god, it looks so hard, but nah, this is it, baby. Okay, y'all, so I got these cute little things to set alongside of the tree, and then these to put in the tree. So I don't quite yet know how I'm going to do it, but I literally have a bunch of stuff to just add in there in the other spots. I have this stuff too. Literally little candy canes, all types of stuff just to add in the places that are bald. I wanted it to be like a lot going on, but still like come together. So we'll see how it looks. So we're going to add these different decorations to the bottom of the tree before I actually add gifts up under there, just something to make it look presentable. I'm adding these sticks in. I have no idea how to design these, but it ended up coming together in the end. So what I did was just added these different accessories to the tree where it might have been very bland or into the gaps that I noticed. Again, it created so much range and texture to the tree, like it just really brought it all together. So I end up adding some of these to the top. I literally disperse these all throughout the tree, and it makes it so cute, y'all. Next, I'm going to add these little candy canes in, again, where there's big gaps in the tree, just so it can look full and like those things are literally sitting inside of the tree. I add everything that I showed into the tree where it might have been gaps, and I had some extra bulbs I made into a cluster and added to the tree. Okay, so here is the final look, honey. I literally love it. I just added some little things on there. I was gonna add some Grinches in, but I couldn't really find any, so I'm gonna just leave it like this. I think there's a little stand-up Grinch at Hobby Lobby, and I think it said it was like $80-something on there. So I don't know just yet if I'm gonna go back and get it, because it's like, do I really want to spend $40 on it? Because I probably won't do that theme next year. So it's like, what is given? I don't know. I'm gonna decide tomorrow, because I gotta take something else back to the store, because it broke. I literally opened my trunk, and then my little like black elf, and I think it was the last one, the black elf literally rolled out, dropped on the floor, and broke. And I'm just like, so anywho, I gotta go back to Hobby Lobby, and I gotta take some things back. So now I'm about to put up the ribbon on my cabinets. So this is what it looks like before, and I gotta take that hookah down, like the ghetto. But I just love this tree. It's like, wow, like I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. I need to put something at the top. I really haven't decided yet. This is the ribbon that I'm going to use. I'm gonna start by just measuring out the length of my cabinet so I can cut a proper piece, and I'm just gonna do this long ways and width ways, and just cut those pieces and then add them up there. Very simple, very easy. If you have kids, I recommend, but other than that, it's not really giving aesthetic. Okay, so I'm gonna cut 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces for this. Should I do the bottom ones? No, that might look a little tacky. So I'm gonna just do the top ones. I'm gonna use this double-sided tape. It's actually what I use to like tape down my rug pad. So it should hold very well. Oh, hopefully you don't take the paint off of here. It shouldn't. But if it does, I guess it's on the inside. Okay. I'm glad it ain't no bugs up here, because I would have freaked out. Do it look kind of tacky? I don't know if I like it. Let me try adding a bow, seeing how it looks, but it ain't giving. Now I know my son is gonna like it, but that is not cute. So I made a little bow just to see if it'll look better if I add a bow to it. So let's just see. Okay, so I'm gonna just use my same tape and tape this together. Just a little janky bow, whatever. Okay, how does that look? That's actually cute. So we'll go with that. So this is how it looked when I was finished. I probably won't go and add bows to those two. I'll just let it go. This was so cute. I had to get it so my son could know how many days left into Christmas. He's going to love it. This is how my TV stand looks. Of course, I gotta add the old pictures and a Christmas candle. Love this scent. And I just added this to the table just so he can be surprised when he comes home from what is that. Nice little Santa Claus mug. Hobby Lobby, love it. This he made a while ago, but it's just too cute not to hang up.